Hi, I'm Beth Carson. I'm the author of Money Making Vacation Rentals. In an 8-week boot camp, I'm going to teach you the steps you need to go through to write a book to set you up as the expert in your chosen field. It could be marketing for plastic surgeons. It could be autism. It could be getting homes for the homeless. It could be whatever it is that you want to be seen as an expert in. And I've made a lot of mistakes, done a lot of things the wrong way with this book, and I want to help you in 8 weeks' time. Although don't feel pressure, you'll have lifetime access to the program, but I'll give you all the tools within 8 weeks to be able to take your book and get it on Amazon and get a copy in your hands, and a copy that then you can hand to someone else or mail it to them and catapult yourself from person in the crowd to person on the stage, if that's what you want. Books open doors like nothing else. Real books, not 27-page ebooks. Those are nice, but those are generally ignored. What you need is a book printed on paper that you can mail or hand to someone, and I can help you do that. Sign up below for 8-week boot camp, and I'll see you on the other side. Thank you.